Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Guys, look what mom and dad got me. Look. Two Mountain Dews. I got the Baja Punch and the Major Melon. I'm going to do a taste test with these two drinks. So, which one should we try? Let's try the orange one. So, here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. Mmm. It tastes like cherry and oranges. And uh now let's try the melon. Let's try the melon. The melon tastes pretty good, so I might have to give this Major Melon a 7 out of 10. And Mountain Dew Baja Punch, I might have to give this a 6 out of 10. And what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Good night. Peace.